Introducing the NETGEAR WAX214 Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 PoE wireless access point, delivering high-performance Wi-Fi for business or home office locations. Engineered with the latest in Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing increased performance, coverage, and security to keep your small business, employees, guests, and customers connected. Designed with PoE for easy installation. Connect to your PoE switch with a single Ethernet cable, without complicated wiring or professional installation. With versatile mounting options, it's easy to install on a wall or ceiling. And the compact size gives you the option to just place it on top of a desk. Easy to set up and easy to manage locally. Ideal for retail showrooms, lobbies, waiting areas, professional offices, and more. Improve speed, coverage, and device density with a convenient and cost-effective Wi-Fi 6 PoE solution. The NETGEAR WAX214 Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 PoE wireless access point.